Hello students, till now we have studied till drum printers. So let's move on to the chain printers. So these are called as line printers, and these are used to print one line at a time. So basically the chain consists of links, and each link contains one character. So printers can follow any character set style, that is 48, 64 or 96 characters, and the printer consists of a number of hammers also. So these are also having some advantages and disadvantages. So first of all, let us see what are the advantages of chain printers. So chain or band, if damaged, can be changed easily. So it allows printing of different forms, and different scripts can be printed using this printer. Also, let us see the disadvantages. So it cannot print charts and graphs, and it cannot also print characters of any shape. And chain printers is impact printer. Hammer strikes, so it is very noisy. So during printing a copy using chain printer, so the noise of the hammer is makes some noise. And let us see the non-impact printers. So the first one is inkjet printer. So these printers use a special link called electrostatic ink, and the head has a special nozzle, and the nozzle drops ink on paper. So the head contains up to 64 nozzles, and the ink dropped in deflected by the electrostatic plate. So the plate is fixed outside the nozzle, and the deflected ink settles on the paper. So we can see these inkjet printers in our lab or in our personal use, that there is a nozzle which contains of certain inks, and when the ink is dropped onto the paper, the image or the character or any text is get printed in the paper. So what are the advantages? So it produces high quality of output as compared to the dot matrix printer. Yes, it produces very high quality of images, and the high quality output can be produced using the 64 nozzle. So the nozzle which is used in inkjet printer helps to print a high quality image or character. So inkjet can print characters in a variety of shapes, and it can print special characters also, and the printer can print graphs and charts. So there are two disadvantages of inkjet printer. So it is slower than dot matrix printers, and the cost of inkjet is more than a dot matrix printer. So let us move on to the next printer, that is laser printer. So these are non-impact page printers, and they use laser lights to produce the dots. So it is needed form and the character to be printed on the page, and hence the name laser printer. So it is not so cheaper. It gives a very clear image, and the output is generated using the following steps. So the step 1 says that the bits of data sent by processing unit acts as trigger to turn the laser beam on and off. So the input makes the laser beam turn on and off, and the output device has a drum which is cleared and is given a positive electric charge. So to print a page, the modulated laser beam passing through the laser scans back and forth the surface of the drum. So the positive electric charge on the drum is stored on just those parts of the drum surface which are exposed to the laser beam, and it creates the difference in electric which charges on the exposed drum surface. So basically the positive charge is spread all over the drum, and the negative charge sent by the electron hits those positive charge, and the glowing effect occurs. So step 3 says that the laser exposed parts of the drum attack at ink powder known as toner. So we have to fill toner, or we say that we have to refill the toner for longer use, and the attracted ink powder is transferred to the paper. So the ink particles are permanently fixed to the paper by using either heat or pressure technique. So two techniques are used in this, heat and paper techniques. And steps is 6 last step says that the drum rotates back to the cleaner where a rubber blade cleans off the excess inks and prepare the drum to print the next page. So let us move on to plotters. So plotters are a special type of output devices, and it is suitable for applications such as architectural plan of a building or designing a map, CAD applications like the design of mechanical components of aircraft, and many engineering applications. So what are the advantages of plotters? It can produce high quality outputs on large scale, and it is used to provide the high precision drawing. It can produce graphics of various sizes, and the speed of producing output is very high. It is very high in respect to the printers. So there are two types of plotters. The first one is drum plotter, and it consists of a drum, similarly like the drum printer. It consists of a drum, and the paper on which design is made is kept on the drum, and the drum can rotate in both the direction, in clockwise direction as well as in the anti-clockwise direction. So the plotters comprised of one or more pen and pen holders. The holders are mounted perpendicular to the drum surface, and the pens are kept in the holders, which can move left to right or as well as right to left, and the graph plotting program controls the movement of the pen and the drum. So the second type of plotter is flatbed plotter. So it is used to draw complex designs and graphs and charts. So the flatbed plotter can be kept over the table, and the plotter consists of pen and the holder, and the pen can draw characters of various sizes and shapes, and there can be one or more pen and pen holding mechanism just like the drum plotter, and each pen has ink of different colors. So this is better than the drum plotter in comparison to the color produced by them, and different colors help to produce multicolor design to the document, and the area of plotting is also available. So it varies. It vary A4 to 21 into 52 inches, and it is used to draw cars, shapes, airplanes, shoes, and dress designing, road and highway designing, and all types of designing and CAD. So let us see about some of the graphics software which we will use in the further upcoming chapters. So there are two types of graphics softwares. The first one is general purpose package, and the second one is special purpose package. So in general purpose package, basic functions in a general package includes those for generating picture components such as straight lines, polygons, circles, and other figures, and setting colors and intensity values, selecting views, and applying transformations. So we will use all these things, that is straight line, circle, ellipse, or many more figures in the second unit. And the examples of general purpose packages: graphics library, GKS, Fix Plus. These are the versions of the packages. And the special purpose package, these packages are designed for non-programmers. So these are designed for those who do not know coding, or who do not have an idea of what background idea of the coding, so that these user can use the graphics package without knowing the inner details. So examples of special purpose packages: the painting programs, the package used for business purpose, CAD packages, and packages used for medical system. So these are the softwares, graphic softwares, which are used in designing, and we will also use these some of these software in our upcoming units. So these were the topics which is of unit 1. So thank you.